So I've been holding Chainlink for a really, really long time, waiting for some things to materialize. And the price action has not been insane by any stretch of the imagination. We crossed over $50 last cycle, but there's no doubt that Chainlink has its hands in a lot when it comes to the RWA space. Of course, their Oracle technology. It's kind of a glue in the cryptocurrency space. It's an infrastructure play. And I've been stacking Chainlink for a long time, playing the long game with Link. And I don't make a ton of videos about Chainlink. It's not one that gets a ton of attention, but when it comes to the sides of the institutions, I think Chainlink is super well positioned. And we recently had some unbelievable information come out related to a Link Reserve, and I want to weigh in, guys. I've got a lot of pieces of content for you guys in this updated video. So make sure you guys stick around until the end. But right now, hit that like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Drop a comment at some point throughout the video. I want to hear from you guys. And I'm hoping this video can reach the masses. Anybody interested in Chainlink should see this, because this is what we're betting on right now. All of crypto's speculative. It's pure speculation, but where there's some, smoke, there's usually some fire. And the launch of Chainlink's Link Reserve on Thursday comes on the back of large holders amassing millions in the underlying token. The reserve will be funded by Chainlink's on-chain and off-chain revenue streams, according to yesterday's announcement. The proceeds from the reserve obtained via large-scale institutional adoption of Chainlink Standard will help improve growth, security, and sustainability of the project. The fund has already attracted $1 million worth of Link. So they're essentially creating a Link Reserve. Chainlink's move is creating a reserve reflecting a broader shift in investor sentiment toward crypto markets. This is going to create a supply shock. Now, a growing number of companies have taken a page from Strategy's playbook by adding crypto tokens to treasuries, particularly after improved regulatory clarity surrounding digital assets. And similar to digital asset treasuries, Chainlink said it has no plans to sell the Link tokens held in this reserve. The reserve's accumulation effectively removes the tokens from circulation in the medium term, creating a sustained negative shock supply. Now, on-chain data from Santiment also shows a bullish development, with high net worth investors increasing their Link holdings. Wallets holding 100,000 to 1 million Link increased by 4.2% in August so far. The large-scale wallets accumulated 0.67% of the supply, or approximately 85 million worth of Link. Data from Crypto Quant shows a similar negative supply shock, with exchange reserves for Link dropping from 180 million to 147 million tokens. A reduction in supply on exchanges usually signals holder confidence, meaning few Link investors will be prone to panic selling, and this is usually amazing for the price of an asset. So Chainlink here today is up 11%, 15% on the week, and we're nearing some of our monthly targets. We're up 36% on the month. We're getting close to that $20 level, but still we're 63% down from all-time highs, which was set in May of 2021, where we got to around $53. But when we look at some of the, technicals on the Chainlink chart, this is where we get really excited. Now, we had the big boost back in late December 2024, where we got up to $31. Just to give it all back, honestly, and coming back down in April to $10. But we've bounced off that $10, $11 target twice here this year in 2025. We've bounced up to this level once here in May, right around 18. We're through that right now, and we're getting up here close to where we just were, where we wicked up over $20 in July. Some massive green candles the last couple of days, and things are looking really nice on the technicals. We did get a momentum up swing here. This was a buy signal at $15 and some change. We're up about 26% in the last 29 days since that buy signal was issued. Thanks to XT Algo, our trading software guys, they were all over it. This has helped me so much get into great positions. This is a product that we had developed a couple years back. If you guys are serious about investing, you want to level it up, Try XT Algo for $1 a day right now. Link down below in the description. I highly encourage you guys to give it a look. We've also got our free newsletter going on right now. You can find that link down below in the description. But looking at some of the technicals, guys, it is a strong buy right now on the moving averages. We are zooming past our short-term and long-term timeframes. 200-day moving averages are just below $16. We are clear, very clear from that level. And a lot of people asking, why is Chainlink's price up? Well, strong headlines because of that reserve, guys. And a lot of people on the technical side are basically saying Chainlink is ready for blast off here, as we're looking at kind of the coiling up of this price. Strong buying activity from whales. Data shows rising trading activity. Chainlink eyeing the $68 mark. So looking at technical crypto analyst Anderson says Chainlink's price chart is showing a strong pattern that could soon break to the upside. If the price keeps climbing, the next big hurdles are around $20.50 and $21, and it might even reach $32 in the coming weeks. Looking further ahead, Anderson believes Link could eventually aim for $68. That price target would be amazing for Link holders who were accumulating around, the $10 level and even below that throughout the bear. This trader right here says Link looking really good here. Been bull posting it for a while. Feels like we've finally entered the wave 3 I've been waiting on for so long. Pretty much alt season right now. Expecting continuation to higher prices. Still firmly believe $100 is the minimum for Chainlink. So we'll see. Another trader says Chainlink above 23 could finally clear the path to $47. Does the Chainlink Reserve finally act as the catalyst that my scenario needed? And then a buddy of mine, Zach from Subway, of course, one of my co-hosts on the Crypto Breakfast Club, which is our daily show on X, says Link is no longer just an oracle. It's the invisible engine powering trillions in DeFi RWAs in the AI blockchain future. While others chase hype, Chainlink builds the infrastructure quietly, relentlessly, unstoppably. And this has a lot of people excited about where we could potentially be heading next with Chainlink, guys. And so get that free newsletter if you haven't already. Definitely check out XT Algo. All coins are getting ready to burst. A lot of them have already been pumping, and we are making some great plays right now utilizing the technical indicator that XT Algo provides. It overlays right on top of your trading view. Amazing tool if you're looking to level up, guys. Check it out. Links down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video.